Welcome back to the ETF Edge portion of the halftime report. I'm Leslie Picker. With the vaccine rollout ramping up and more Americans venturing outside their homes again, the reopening trade is going strong. And just in time for the spring travel season, more and more reopening sensitive ETFs are coming to market. In fact, AdvisorShares launched two such funds just this past week. The AdvisorShares Hotel ETF, ticker symbol BEDZ, and the AdvisorShares Restaurant ETF, ticker symbol EATZ. But some are worried that all the optimism is already baked into the market, and this is as good as it gets. Let's ask the man behind these two new launches. Noah Hammond is CEO of AdvisorShares. Also joining us today is Tom Lydon, CEO of ETF Trends. Thank you both so much for being here. Noah, what do you think? Are we past the peak of the reopening trade at this point?
I don't think so. I think it's just beginning. You know, you've got American savers who have been holding back capital, not able to do anything and spend their money, their disposable income, and they're going to be ready to spend it, and they'll spend it aggressively, and they'll do that in industries like restaurants or hotels that are really ready to soak up this demand. So I think it's going to continue for a while.
Tom, what do you think the demand looks like right now for ETFs that are broken down into some of these kind of pre-pandemic and post-pandemic plays? Is that still an attractive feature in ETFs?
It is, Leslie, in a whole variety of ways. Thematic ETFs have been hugely popular, attracting a lot of money in the ETF space. And it's not just been what's worked during the pandemic, but as Noah mentions, you know, when we see these areas of the market that reopening, that's real positive. However, I got to say this, when you look at restaurants, they're having struggles hiring people right now because a lot of that lower paid workforce actually was doing other things during the pandemic, going back to school, finding other careers, and also food prices have gone through the roof. So the profitability of restaurants and actually hotels is something we need to keep an eye on too. But people are happy spending their stimmy checks right now. I just booked my first hotel in over a year, so I'm optimistic on the space.
I did the same, and some airline tickets as well. Noah, Tom, we appreciate you joining us today.